If you finish faster than you want to, this practice is for the moment when your arousal starts climbing and your body starts to feel like it's racing ahead of you. Most men try to solve this by feeling less, through numbing, distracting, or trying to hold back. This practice actually does the opposite. It teaches you to feel more and sooner so that you can slow down before your body hits that point of no return. For the next few minutes, I'm going to guide you through a simple breath and awareness practice that you can use during masturbation, before sex, or any time that you notice yourself rushing towards the finish line faster than you want to. And it's a great practice to have in your tool belt, no matter how long you're able to last in bed. So do it once to understand it, and then come back again and again so that your body can retain it. Let's begin. If it's safe to do so, close your eyes. Begin by taking a breath in through your nose and letting it out slowly through your mouth. And again, in through the nose, long, slow exhale through your mouth. Allow your jaw to soften. Allow your shoulders to drop. Let your belly have a little more room to expand on your inhale and contract on your exhale. You don't have to control anything right now. You don't need to fight your body. You don't need to clamp down or tense up or hold yourself back. All you need to do is breathe in and out. Again, in and out. Now, notice where your body is already holding. Maybe your jaw or your chest or your lower belly. Maybe the muscles around your hips or thighs or pelvis. You don't have to fix anything, just notice. Now take a slow breath in through your nose, and as you exhale, let your belly soften, almost like you're giving it permission to drop. Again, breathe in, exhale, let your belly soften. For many men, the rush towards orgasm comes with a very specific pattern. Your breath gets short, your pelvic floor clenches, sensation builds quickly, and then the body races towards the finish line. Today, we are practicing making a different choice. We're slowing down instead of racing. We're choosing to feel sooner, to breathe slower, to give our bodies a different cue. The breath pattern that we are going to use is very simple. We're going to inhale for 4 and exhale for 8. The exhale is longer than the inhale, and that is so your body gets the message that you are not rushing, that you have time, and that it is safe to feel this much sensation. Let's practice together. Breathe in through your nose for 4, 3, 2, 1, and exhale slowly through your mouth for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And in for 4, 3, 2, 1, and out for 8, trying to get to totally empty. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. try to let your exhales and inhales be smooth and easy. Begin in for 4, 3, 2, 1, and out for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Continue to breathe as you notice your belly and scan your lower abdomen and the muscles around your pelvis. You may begin to feel a little more space, a little less gripping. And this softening really matters because rushing is not just something that happens in the genitals, it happens throughout the whole body. It happens when the breath shortens and the belly tightens and the pelvis contracts and the mind says, oh no, I'm getting close, it's going to happen again. And then the body follows the panic of the mind. So today, you're teaching your body a new sequence. When intensity rises, you breathe. When the belly tightens, you allow it to soften. When the body rushes, you begin to slow down. You bring your attention over to your arousal. When the body rushes, you slow down. Now, bring your attention over to your arousal, wherever it is right now. Think about it on a scale from 1 to 10. If it's barely there, then it is a 1. If you feel a little bit, that might be a 2 or a 3. Wherever you are right now is totally perfect. You're learning this scale now so that you can use it when it counts. Imagine your arousal at a 5, turned on, but feeling steady. Now imagine it at a 7. A 7 is strong. Imagine it at an 8. An 8 is intense. A 9 is right at the edge, and 10 is orgasm. Most men who finish faster than they want don't notice 7 nearly enough. By the time they notice 9, the body is already moving faster than the mind can manage. So today, we're going to practice noticing sooner. Don't wait for the panic or for the edge. Begin to notice the climb. Begin to feel the body so that you can breathe at 7. Imagine yourself right now at a 7. You're not out of control, you're not at the edge, you're just clearly turned on with strong sensation and momentum building. Now, breathe in for 4, 3, 2, 1, and out for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Imagine the intensity settling, not disappearing, just moving from a 7 to a 6, maybe from a 6 down to a 5. You're still present and you're still feeling. You're not numb or shut down, you're just no longer rushing. Again, breathe in for 4, 3, 2, 1, and exhale for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, bring your awareness back to your belly. Bring your awareness back to your pelvic floor. Imagine the base of your body unclenching, your hips getting heavier and moving outward, your inner thighs softening. Imagine your body learning that you can feel this and stay here, that you can both enjoy this and slow down, that you can be turned on without racing towards the end. That is the practice. Not less sensation, but more presence. Not less pleasure, more choice. Let's practice one more time. Intensity is rising. You notice, you breathe, you soften. You inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1, and you exhale for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay here. Notice how much more you can feel when you are not sprinting. Feel whatever is there in your genitals right now. Maybe warmth, maybe weight or pulse, maybe pressure or texture, maybe some kind of subtle pleasure. Notice that pleasure is not just at the finish line. It is here. It's in the build and the breath and in the body, and it can be in the choice to stay right here too. Now imagine that this is the moment you're practicing for. You're with yourself or a partner and you feel yourself starting to climb faster than you want to. That old reflex might be to panic and tense, to distract yourself, to numb, to pull away from sensation. But now you have a cue. And so you breathe. You soften your belly. You relax the base of your body. You stay with the feeling. You let your body know that we are not rushing. We have time. We can feel this. Take one more steady breath in through your nose and long exhale out. And again, in and out. Now notice your body. Notice the room around you. Notice that slowing down is not the same as shutting down. Notice that slowing down can mean staying connected and responsive and present and in choice. One final breath. In through the nose. Slow, steady exhale through the mouth. And then open your eyes whenever you're ready. That was just one practice, one repetition. And if you felt even a small shift, then that means that it worked, and that is worth celebrating. What you just experienced is a small sample of what my guided audio album, Masturbation Meditations, is like. I created this album because I kept seeing the same thing with the men who come to me for coaching. They understand the techniques, but when it comes to actually being in the moment, their body goes right back to their old pattern. I realized that they needed guidance in that exact moment. They needed a way to practice that allowed their nervous systems to be reconditioned in ways that allowed them to actually learn. There's a full track in the album called Slow the Rush that guides you through a deeper, longer, and way spicier version of this practice. It's recorded by me, and I walk you through multiple build, breath, settle, and continue cycles in real time so that your body can practice feeling more without tipping over the edge too quickly. There's also a guided edging practice for more advanced techniques. All of these are recorded by me in a professional audio studio. The full album includes 12 tracks, 11 guided practices, over 3 hours total. And it comes with a companion workbook so that you can actually track what's changing over time. The full Masturbation Meditations album is in the link in the description below. And there is a 90-day money-back guarantee. So if you use these practices and you don't feel a real shift in your performance or your pleasure or your presence, you can get all of your money back, no questions asked. Save this video and come back to it before sex, before meditation, or any time that you notice yourself rushing instead of feeling. The pattern doesn't change the moment that you understand it, but it can change the moment that you press play. Thank you so much for letting me be your guide. I'll see you here next time. Bye-bye.